Many of us think of drones as small, handheld devices that you can fly recreationally at the park or in the backyard. However, the purpose of this technology goes well beyond that of entertainment. Drones, which are unpiloted aircraft flown remotely or using onboard computers, vary considerably in size, function, and capability. These machines, which were developed decades ago for military purposes, have now become mainstream resources in numerous industries. Drones are a low-cost and sensible solution for many day-to-day operations. When rough terrain or environmental factors make it difficult for humans to traverse an area, these machines are able to provide an aerial view or deliver supplies. The ability to operate a drone from anywhere at any time allows professionals, businesses, and organizations to accomplish more in less time. Many fields of science, such as geography, agriculture, and meteorology, benefit from drones. For example, they help surveyors explore and describe the land, and cartographers to create or update maps regardless of the region's accessibility. Drones can be used to monitor crops and livestock and spray fertilizers. Meteorologists may use drones to collect data on temperature, wind speed, and other conditions for tracking and forecasting the weather. Drones also perform safety and life-saving measures. When equipped with thermal imaging cameras, professionals can utilize drones to scan the aftermath of natural disasters. This might include locating victims of an avalanche or a hurricane, or determining an evacuation route in a flood. Law enforcement may use drones to find missing people or criminal suspects. Drones have also been used to surveil large crowds. They can even deliver medications and medical equipment, such as defibrillators, in a fraction of the time it takes emergency personnel to arrive. There are many ways that drones offer convenience for ordinary, everyday activities. In some cities, companies use drones to deliver packages and groceries. Real estate companies use drones to capture videos and photographs of properties to show potential buyers. Drones can be utilized for routine building inspections, as well as providing journalists with footage of sporting events and other news happenings. Find printed and digital versions of this passage and activities to go with them in the link in the description.